Watch this powerful tree-cutting machine in action. Its hydraulic arm delivers precise cuts, making tree removal safer, faster, and incredibly efficient. Watch this powerful excavator transform into a precision pile driver. With incredible hydraulic force, it lifts and drives massive concrete piles deep into the ground, creating a strong, stable foundation for buildings, bridges, and heavy infrastructure projects. Asterisk, this is a high-tech wood processing machine. As each log enters the system, it is cut and shaped with incredible precision in just seconds. The automated process delivers smooth, consistent results while reducing material waste. Modern technology like this makes wood processing faster, more efficient, and highly productive. Watch this smart corn harvesting machine. It picks the corn while instantly shredding the stalks into fine mulch. Faster harvesting, less labor, and valuable feed ready in one pass. This automated machine quickly sorts and packs colored pencils with exceptional precision, delivering neat, consistent results and highly efficient production. Watch this incredible wood processing machine turn massive logs into ultra-thin wood sheets with amazing precision. Every pass creates smooth, uniform veneers at high speed, maximizing every piece of timber while reducing waste. Modern woodworking technology at its finest. Asterisk, watch this powerful coconut husk processing machine in action. In just one pass, it shreds tough coconut husks into fine fiber, ready for industrial use. Fast, efficient, and labor-saving, it transforms agricultural waste into valuable raw material with impressive productivity.